In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Jotform password. Whether you've forgotten it or just need to update it for security reasons, rest assured the process is straightforward and quick. Let's dive in and walk through each step together. First, you'll need to head over to the Jotform website. Once you're there, navigate to the login page. You can easily find this by looking for the login button, usually located in the top menu of the site. Clicking this will take you directly to the page where you'll typically enter your credentials. Once you're on the login page, direct your attention to the forgot password link. It's usually located just beneath the fields where you would normally enter your username or email and password. Click on this link to proceed to the next step. This handy link is designed to assist you whenever you need to reset your password, making it accessible and convenient. Now that you've clicked on Forgot Password, you'll be prompted to enter some information to verify your identity. You have the option to input either your username or the email address associated with your Jotform account. It's important to ensure that the information you provide is accurate to avoid any hiccups in receiving the necessary instructions. After entering your information, look for the button that says Send Reset Instructions. Clicking this will trigger an email to be sent to your registered email address. This email will contain a link to reset your password, so it's crucial to have access to the email account you used when you signed up for Jotform. Next, check your email inbox for a message from Jotform. If you don't see it right away, make sure to check your spam or junk folder as well, just in case it was mistakenly filtered. Once located, open the email and click on the link provided. This link will guide you through the final steps to reset your password. By clicking on the link in your email, you will be directed to a new web page that will prompt you to create a new password. Take your time to choose a strong and secure password. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers and symbols to enhance its strength, making it harder for anyone to guess. After setting your new password, confirm it by entering it a second time if required. And there you have it, you've successfully reset your Jotform password. You can now return to the login page and access your account with your new credentials. Remember, it's a good habit to regularly update your passwords to keep your account secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.